If you're seeing Epic Games error code 4177, that usually means Epic's login or security system has detected a blocked or glitched authentication attempt, and the fastest fix is often clearing the temporary browser or launcher data that's causing the loop. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step, whether you're using a web browser or the Epic Games launcher on Windows. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and software guides. First, if you're trying to log in through a web browser, open a completely clean Incognito or private window. This is important because a private window bypasses most saved cookies, cached sessions, and tracking data that can keep re-triggering the same authentication problem. Once the private window opens, go back to the Epic Games login page and try signing in again. This gives you a fresh login session without the old cached data interfering. If that does not solve the issue, the next step is to clear the launcher cache on your Windows PC. Start by fully closing Epic Games Launcher. Don't just minimize it, you want it completely shut down. To make sure it's closed properly, press Ctrl, Shift and ESC together to open Task Manager. Then look for Epic Games Launcher in the list of running processes and end it completely. This matters because if the launcher is still running in the background, the cache files may not delete properly. After that, press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box. Type %localappdata% and press Enter. This will take you into your local app data folder, where Epic stores temporary launcher files. From there, open the Epic Games Launcher folder, then open Saved. Inside the Save folder, look for the Webcache folder and delete it. This folder stores temporary browser-style data used by the launcher, and if it becomes corrupted or stuck in a bad authentication loop, deleting it often fixes the error immediately. Once the Webcache folder is removed, restart the Epic Games Launcher and try signing in again. In many cases, this is enough to clear the problem and let you continue normally. Now, there's one very important thing to understand about error code 4177. Because it is often tied to an automated security block, repeatedly spamming the login button or trying the same failed sign-in over and over can actually make the lockout last longer. Every failed attempt can keep resetting the timer, so the best thing you can do is stop interacting with Epic Games services for a while. In some cases, the server-side cooldown needs time to naturally expire. So after you've cleared the cache and tried a clean login, if the error is still there, wait exactly 30 to 45 minutes before trying again. Do not keep refreshing the page, and do not keep clicking Sign In during that waiting period. Let the security block calm down on its own. After the cooldown window passes, return with a fresh private browser session or restart the launcher and test the login again. If everything was caused by a temporary glitch, the error should now be gone. So to recap, the main fix for Epic Games error code 4177 is to use a private browser window, clear the Epic Games Launcher webcache on Windows, and avoid brute forcing the login while the server lockout timer is active. Then, if needed, wait 30 to 45 minutes for the block to drop naturally. If this video helped, please like, subscribe and check out the next fix on screen for more gaming troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.